Hello, welcome to YouTube. This is the 11th Doctor screwdriver in its case at the moment, and hope you enjoy this video.
Hi, I'm Colin, Master369, on another episode of Doctor Who. This time, the 11th screwdriver. Sorry about this, but the package, I already took it out of the packaging and put the batteries in, so to save time. So let's take it out. And as we see, we have the box here and the 11th Doctor screwdriver. So, detail, very good detail, gold and bits of white and bits of black, and unusual, but like a dummy with the little babies. So yeah, but silver. So let's get started with the Doctor Who. So this, if you press this, don't worry, you have to hold it, else this will happen. And you'll think it's probably either the batteries or it's broke. Well, hold it, and you'll get this sound. And hold it again, and you'll get this sound. And if you hold it, and if you press it 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and you'll get that sound. And if you press it 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. It'll get it's like fading away. And now, for this part, where it springs up, just press this. That comes up with a little detachment at the bottom. We just open, and you press this, and you let go, and you just get other sounds. And again, you have to hold this, else nothing works. And if you've got very small fingers, you see that there? You can just put your hands in there and go. And overall, I give this a 10 out of 10. Thank you. This is Master369 on another episode of Doctor Who. We'll be reviewing the late Master's latest screwdriver, and that will be all. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you, Master369, for watching.